Hello, welcome back to our Year 6 writing lessons for week 2. It's going to be a little bit different this week. If you've already had a look at the overview document on the website, you'll know that. But although all the lessons this week are going to be around the same theme, each day will be a standalone lesson in its own right. So you can pick and choose which lessons you do when. You can do them in any order, really. So I'm really looking forward to the writing for this week because it's all based on this really great video that we found online called Pigeon Impossible. So the first thing you need to do today is watch the video. I've given all the instructions about this on the website already. But the task for today, once you've watched the video, maybe a couple of times, maybe made some notes if you want to help you remember what happens, is to write a factual account as if you were telling the police what happened during the video, well, not during the video, but what happened, what the incident was that occurred, and the video is going to help you to know what to do. So when you're writing a factual account, don't forget you need to think about the 5 W's. I've written those up here, but they're also on the document on the website. When, where, who, what, why. So if I was going to write a factual account for the police about what happened, imagine that I saw it all, how would I start? I'm going to start with when. So although it's a factual account, I still want it to be interesting for the reader, so they keep reading it all the way to the end. So I'm going to start by saying, last week on a cold Monday morning at around what time did it look like? I don't know, about 11:30 a.m. Mayhem, I like that word, it's a great word, kind of means confusion or chaos. Mayhem was caused. Now, before you do this writing task, you need to do the grammar lesson for today, which is all about the passive voice, because the passive voice is often used in more formal writing, particularly in reports and things like that. And if you notice here, I've just used the passive voice. Mayhem was caused by zombies. Remember we did that in school. If you can put by zombies at the end, it means it's the passive. So it is the passive, because I can say by zombies, but the mayhem wasn't caused by zombies in the video. Mayhem was caused by a greedy, how else can I describe the pigeon? If you've watched the video, which you should have done, you'll know what I'm talking about. Mayhem was caused by a greedy nuisance. No, I don't like that word. I'm not going to use that one. A greedy, troublesome. That's a good word. It's my email pinging. By a greedy, troublesome pigeon. There you are. So I've described when. Haven't described where yet, so I can do that in a minute. Don't have to do it in order. I've started talking about who, but as you know, there was someone else involved in the incident as well. And I can move on to talk more about what happened and why it happened in the rest of my report. So I hope that gives you a good idea of how to get started. Do the grammar lesson first on the passive. See if you can remember how to use that in your writing. And have fun writing your factual account today. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.